As a personal injury attorney with 20 years experience, I've seen dog bites cause horrible injuries, lacerations, bleeding, infections, disfigurement, and even death. California law says that owners are almost always responsible when their dogs bite, and victims can sue for substantial. Specifically, there are 7 types of damages we can seek to recover. Number 1, medical bills. Number 2, lost wages. Number 3, pain and suffering. Number 4, compensation for scarring and disfigurement. Number 5, emotional scarring. Number 6, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, which is very common after someone suffers a vicious dog attack. And number 7, punitive damages. These are recoverable when an owner was especially reckless and not restrained.
I'm Justin Scher, dog behavioral therapist and master trainer with Barkbusters Home Dog Training, and today we're going to talk about how to stop your dog from acting out. Dogs are a lot like children, and children as well as dogs, they have basic needs that need to be met. As a parent, it's your job and responsibility to provide to the basic needs of your kids, and with dogs, it's your job as a pack leader to provide to the basic needs of your dogs. And if your dog is acting out, chances are one of those basic needs are being neglected. Proper diet is essential. Giving a dog food with no corn and grain-free, so there's low in carbohydrates, and so dogs tend to act up when they get bad nourishment. Secondly is giving your dog enough exercise, both physical and mental. So if your dog is acting up, it's very possible that he or she is not getting enough exercise and or mental stimulation. So when they're bored, they tend to act up. And also if your dog's acting up in general, this is a very strong clue that your dog is not educated to the level that needs to be. And that requires leadership and proper education.